Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that you all are fine and I also fine. And today I will take the new lecture and the topic of this lecture is capacitors or grouping of the capacitor. Means series and parallel combination of the capacitor. In previous lecture we have studied about the capacitor. What is the capacitor? What is the use of capacitor? And other factors on which the capacitance of capacitor depend. Clear? So in previous video we have studied about the capacitor. Now it is the turn of a lecture of the series and parallel combination of the capacitors. So let's start the capacitor or group of the capacitor. तो फर्स्ट ग्रुपिंग है हमारा इन सीरीज। सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में हम कैसे कैपेसिटर को सेट करेंगे तो समझिए। देखिए मैंने कहा फर्स्ट कैपेसिटर whose capacitance is C1, second capacitor whose capacitance is C2, third capacitor of capacitance C3, all are connected in series. Then how we will connect them in series? First plate positive, second plate negative, and the second plate of first capacitor connect with the first plate of second capacitor, means positive. Clear? And second plate of second capacitor connect with the first plate of third capacitor. Such combination is called series combination. All have the different capacitance and this is the negative plate. Is it clear? First has charge Q plus second plate has charge Q but minus. In a series combination, if they are connected by, this is terminal A, terminal B, at the B terminal both capacitors are connected, C1 and C2. At here C and this terminal is said to be D. Clear? If they are connected by a conducting wire, then in series combination charge remains same on each capacitor. In series combination charge remains same, that is plus Q here, minus Q here, plus Q here, minus Q here. But the potential difference between the plates of each capacitor, suppose first capacitor A to B, it contains the potential V1 up to here. This is the potential difference across the plates of capacitor first. Now here potential V2 across the capacitor of C2. Now here V3 across the plates of capacitor C3. So these are the three potential difference separate across the plates of each capacitor, and such combination will connect with the main source. So main source is here. This is the main source, high powerful battery, such that the positive terminal is here, negative terminal is here. So this is the battery high power source in which all three capacitors are connected. Is it clear? No problem. Now start the mathematical steps. So how we will define that? Consider three capacitors of capacitance C1, C2 and C3. with their potential difference across each plate V1, V2 and V3. So such statement I am writing here. लिख दूं यहां पर, चलिए. So all three capacitors of the capacitance C1, C2 and C3 having same charge plus minus Q across the each plate. By definitions, in the definition we have studied Q equal to CV, common formula, but and V equal to Q over C. Now I will define the potential across first capacitor, across second, across third. So first of all, the potential difference across C1, potential difference across C1 in first capacitor. First capacitor का potential कितना होगा? V1 equal to Q over C. Q remains same over C1. Is it clear? Similarly, potential difference across C2, that will be V2 equal to Q over C2. I will observe the board. Yes, all things are right. And next one, last, that is third potential V3 equal to potential across third capacitor V3 equal to Q over C3. So these are the potential difference across C1, C2 and C3. Now total potential difference of the combination, which is represented by V equivalent. Total potential difference across combination, that is V equivalent. Equivalent means sum of potential difference of each capacitor, means V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Very simple formula, no problem. Substitute the value of V1, V2 and V3 from here. That will be Q over C1 plus Q over C2 plus Q over C3. No problem? Yes. Take Q common from each steps. 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Q transfer here, that is V equivalent or total potential, that is total potential divided by total charge, because Q remains same in all, that is V over Q equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. It is the same expression like that the resistance in 10th standard you have studied, that is C3. No problem. Since look at here, V equal to Q over C, Q equal to CV, Q equal to CV. Now here step V over Q. V over Q from here. V over Q from here means just a minute, since V total potential over Q total charge equal to 1 upon C total capacitance, yani V equivalent, Q already equivalent to C equivalent. Equivalent means or 1 upon C total or 1 upon C net, because C1, C2, C3 are the individual capacitance. So combined capacitance we can write that 1 upon C. It is for the series combination, so we can represent it by CS also, as for the series combination. So substitute this value with the equivalent of here, that is just a minute, we can consider as First equation these 1, 2, 3 combined. Second equation these. And third equation this. Fourth equation this. By the way, there is no need of the equation. Now let's start. Continue. Substitute here. That is 1 upon Cs equal to, such value is here, equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. This is the formula for series combination of all the capacitor. Dear student, in 10th standard you have studied the expression for the resistance, and that was for series combination. I want to remind you, series combination R1 plus R2 plus and so on. Is it clear? It is the reciprocal of that. It is opposite of that. No problem? But the system remains same. There is explanation remain same pattern as the resistance. For the n capacitor, I am taking here 3. You can take 2, you can take 4, you can take any more. So how much we can take? N capacitors. Then for n capacitors, n capacitors 1 upon C, as for series combination, 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus and so on beta 1 upon Cn. There is any problem? I think there will be no problem. There will be no problem. So we have to write one statement. I want to write one statement, and that statement is according to final formula. Yes, beta. So how we will explain the combined combination, net combination? This is the reciprocal of equivalent capacitance. 1 upon Cs means reciprocal, inverse. This is known as reciprocal. Is equal to sum of reciprocal of individual capacitance. 1 upon C1, capacitance reciprocal of capacitance of first capacitor. 1 upon C2, reciprocal of capacitance of second capacitor. 1 upon Cn, reciprocal of capacitance of 1 upon C3. Clear na? कोई दिक्कत नहीं. So this is the explanation of the resultant capacitance of 3 capacitor or maybe n capacitor which are connected in series combination. Is it clear, beta? Everybody? Now the turn of in parallel combination. So I want to just rough the material. You can take one screenshot. Now the combination of 3 capacitor. So we have to consider 3 capacitance of individual capacitance, 3 capacitors of individual capacitance. First one is of C1 capacitance, second one C2 and third one C3. Clear? And all 3 are connected in parallel. So how we will connect them in parallel? In parallel combination, the positive plate of each capacitor must be connected at the same terminal. So it must be at the same. I will join them like that. All 3 are joined at the same point. Same thing is here. Same thing is here. Yes. In such combination, terminal A, terminal B, in such combination, the charge on each capacitor remains separate or individual. Means charge from first capacitor, that is Q1, plus Q1 minus Q1. Now here plus Q2 minus Q2. Now here plus Q3 minus Q3. So all three have the individual charge. But in such a combination, potential difference remains same or equal for all three. Same function as the resistance in 10th standard. Then between terminal A and V, total potential remains same. Consider as V beta. Clear? I think no problem should be there here. Yes, it is the total potential across the A and V. Now start by the definition. By definition, C equal to Q over V. Now the V remains same, Q. That is Q1, Q equal to CV. We know everybody? Q equal to CV. This is the basic formula for the capacitor in the term of charge and potential difference. So for the first capacitor, it will be, that is Q1 equal to C1V. Q2 for second capacitor equal to C2V. Q3 equal to C3V. These are three functions, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Clear? Now, if we are taking Q1, Q2, Q3 individual charges, then we have to summarize that. We have to add that. Means how much total charge can be considered or can be stored in the combination. So, total charge on the combination, total charge or equivalent charge of combination means Q equivalent equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 equation, such one equation 1 and this is equation number 2. Yes, complete board is here. Yes. Now Q1, Q2, Q3, substitute value from here. Then total charge or equivalent charge. Q equivalent equal to Q1, substitute Q1, how much is here? C1V plus C2V plus C3V. Any problem? No. Simple. That is, we take common C1 plus C2 plus C3. Transfer to V here. Q equivalent or total charge divided by V, and V is also equivalent or total because total potential remain same. It is also can set to be the equivalent. So we can set it equivalent also, or equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Clear? Q over V from here. Q over V. Q over V, capacitance C. So Q over V, since Q equivalent over V equivalent equal to C, or it is also said to be the equivalent, and such equivalent for the combination of parallel. So we can write it here CP, P for parallel, net capacitance of the parallel combination. Equation number 3, equation number 4. Substitute compare the third and fourth. Then it will be CP equal to net capacitance of parallel combination, that is C1 plus C2 plus C3. No problem. This is the net capacitance, equation number 5. But if there are many capacitors connected in the parallel, you can take 2, you can take 4, you can take any number. So I am considering here n capacitor. For n capacitors, in parallel. such as Cp equal to C1 plus C2 plus and so on Cn. Any problem? I think there is no problem. So how statement we can write here? The equivalent capacitor must be equal to sum of all capacitance of the individual capacitor. Clear? May I write it here? Yes. Net capacitance or equivalent capacitance or total capacitance of combination H equal to sum of capacitance of individual capacitance. Total capacitance of combination is sum of capacitance of individual capacitor. Yes. So this is the net combination of net capacitance of parallel combination of the capacitor. You can take one screenshot there. Now I have written here hence in series 1.cs equal to 1.c1 plus 1.c2 plus 1.cn. For parallel, just like it is the opposite of series and parallel combination of the resistances. There was in series Rs equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. In parallel 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Formula is same but opposite as the resistance. Yes. Now the third step, and it is said to be multi-plate capacitor. And I hope that beta you have just understand. If you have any type of the doubt, you can just reverse the video. You can understand easily. I have taken is very easy language and very slowly. So now next step, multiple plate capacitor or multi-plate capacitor. Plates capacitor. How it is? Just suppose it is terminal A and it is of the positive charge. If it is positive charge, then everywhere positive charge. This is conducting plate. Clear? Plates like that. Okay? And like that. 1, 2, 3, 5 plates. So charge of Q uniformly distributed at the each and every plate. Is it clear? Such charge, total charge, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and so on. Is it clear? Yes. Plus is here, plus is here, plus is here, plus is here. And such plus are such combination is types of the parallel. Because all the positive are connected at the same terminal. Total charge of system is Q divided into Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. All charges are individual, separate, according to the plate area of a conductor, size of a conducting plate. As per size of a conducting plate, charge will store. That's why Q1 here, Q2 here, Q3 here, Q4 here, Q5 here. Now, another. It is not a capacitor. Positive, no capacitor. Positive, No possibility of the capacitor. How it will make the capacitor? Yes. 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 And it is of the terminal B which has a charge of minus Q. Or maybe both are connected at the negative or positive terminal of the battery or source of the charge or potential difference. So Q1 here, same plate area, that's why. But negative. It is also negative. Negative, negative, negative. Negative, negative, negative. Negative, negative, negative. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, plate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. How much is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, now 9 plates. 9 plates are here. Then how many capacitors are generated here? How many? First one, positive, negative. First capacitor here, it is said to be C1. Is it clear? Because in the capacitor, 2 plates must be there. One positive, second one negative. C2, C3, here also C2. Third plate, fourth plate also C3. Fourth plate, fifth plate also C5. Fifth plate, sixth plate C6. Sixth plate, seventh plate C7. Seventh plate, eighth plate, sorry, 1 and 2, just a minute, 1 and 2 C1, 2, 3 C2, 3, 4 C3, C4 here, sorry beta, C4 and it is C5, it is C6. Now here C7, oh, C7 and it is of C8. So there are 8 capacitors. Number of plates? Number of plates, how many? 9. Number of capacitors created? Number of capacitors, how many? 8. Any problem? I think no problem must be here. Is it clear? So there are 8 parallel plate capacitor. 8 parallel plate capacitor. Is it clear? Is it clear? Suppose these plates, because these sources are of the same. These sources are of the same voltage or same potential. It is positive, it is negative. That's why they will transfer here charge positive. Total charge, suppose Q positive is here, then Q negative is here. Total charge of positive plate, total charge of negative plate must be equal, must be same. Total charge remain same. That's why they have the individual capacitance, but they will wait. So how we will calculate the capacitance? If other conditions remain same. What conditions? D same means every plate has the same distance between 2 plates. Area of cross section same. Every plate has the same cross sectional area. Then if every plate has same cross sectional area, same distance spacing between 2 plates, clear? Then capacitance of each capacitor, that is C1 equal to A epsilon naught over D. Is it clear? If they are separated or different, D1, A1, D2, A2, then we can write it here A1 upon D1. But I have taken here same area, same distance, then same capacitance. It is for each. C2 equal to C3. C3 equal to and so on. for all. Then the net capacitance will be C for 8 capacitor, C1 plus C2 plus and so on, C8 means A epsilon naught over D. How many times? 8 times multiplied by 8. Very simple. Very simple. Or 8 into C1. So net capacitance of 8 capacitor or such combination C8 equal to 8 into C1. Is it clear? Is it clear? No problem. One combination. Number of plates are 9. Number of capacitors 8 means less than 1. The number of capacitors created less than 1 as the number of plates means number of plates. Is it clear? Then for the n plates, suppose these are n plates. For n plates of capacitor, for n plates of the capacitor, net capacitance equal to how many? N minus 1. N minus 1 means n minus 1 number of plates into A epsilon naught over D. A epsilon naught over D, this is the capacitance of a single capacitor. And how much value we have to multiply? N minus 1. Suppose if a given question is that 50 plates are there. How many? 50. Then how many capacitor? 49. 49. N minus 1. And number of plates. Where n number of plates. Is it clear, beta? So many questions you will get. It is of the IIT 2010, 11 or 12. I don't know. It has asking in the medical also and IIT also, in both. CBSE कभी-कभी पूछ लेता है. Next one. So you can take one screenshot. I will explain the next step of this. Yes. I will take one example. One example is that it asks in CBSE exam. Suppose one capacitor, for parallel plate capacitor, has the charge plus Q here, minus Q here. Plates area A, distance D. Is it clear? Yes. Now the capacitance of such capacitor, that is giving C equal to A epsilon naught over D. Parallel plate capacitor formula, simply. Question is saying that there is a foil plate, insulating aluminum foil, inserted between the plates of capacitor, whose thickness is very small, very negligible. Means by the thickness there will be no change in the D. D remain as it is. So how much effect of the capacitance and how the capacitance will vary? Capacitance कैसे change होगा? Clear? Question is clear? If a aluminum foil any insulating foil of negligible thickness inserted between the plates of capacitor. So now here it created the positive charge. Now here negative nature of this insulating surface, because by the attraction or repulsion, positive repel, that's why positive here or here, and negative repulse, that's why here. and it will attract it. So on the surface of insulating plate, positive charge will be another surface, negative charge on the first surface. Is it clear? So it will create two new type of the capacitor. Means first capacitor and it is second capacitor. So we have created here two capacitor by the same capacitor. Is it clear? Question is clear? We have considered only parallel plate capacitor. Inserting an insulating plate between the capacitor at the mid. Then what will be changed in the new capacitance? So please, initial capacitance C equal to A epsilon naught over T. But after inserting foil, this is insulating plate. Clear? After inserting capacitance of first capacitor of C1. C1 equal to A epsilon naught, A epsilon naught over area remains same because always consider the plate's area. So area remains same, but D, it is of D by 2, it is of D by 2. Distance divided into two halves. Clear? So D by 2. First capacitance of the first capacitor C1 equal to A epsilon naught over D by 2 means 2 as it is beta A epsilon naught over D. That is C1 equal to 2 into C. Equation number 2 means A epsilon naught over DC. Double of the previous. First capacitance. Second capacitance also here. Second also here. Similarly for C2. C2 also. C2 equal to 2. Same process. A epsilon naught over D by 2. Same calculation, 2 into A epsilon naught over D. And it is also, I am checking the board, yes. It is also of 2 into C. 2 into C. So it is also double. But this combination of the series, positive, negative, negative, positive, this is the series combination. This combination of capacitors is series. For series, so net capacitance 1 upon Cs equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. 1 upon C1, 1, that is C1, 2 into C. 1 upon 2C plus 1 upon 2C. 1 upon Cs. 1 upon 2C, take common, 2C LCM, 1 plus 1, that is 2 over 2C, 2 cancel, 1 upon Cs. Then Cs equal to C. Wow! Same capacitance. No change. Wow! Then if we insert a insulating plate between the capacitor, then individual capacitance becomes double, but net capacitance remains same. Is it clear? I think no problem. Now I will take few series and parallel combination numericals. So you can take one screenshot. Yes, student. There is one example of NCERT. In this example, series combination, parallel combination, charge of each capacitor, potential difference across each capacitor, everything will come. So all the combination will be here. So let's start. Dear students, there are 4 capacitors. First capacitor of capacitance C1, second capacitor of capacitance C2, third capacitor of capacitance C3. This is the fourth capacitor of capacitance C4. Clear? First has the charge plus Q. Capital Q consider in NCERT. That's why I will take it here. Capital Q. Positive, negative. Positive, same capital Q. Negative, minus Q. Positive, positive, negative, negative. Positive plus Q, negative minus Q. Clear? And here the different charge. And the charge is positive, positive, negative, negative. It is said to be Q dash. Q dash. Why? Because in such combination, one more thing is here, it is connected with the source of potential difference and it is of 500 volt. 500 volt supply. This supply is providing the potential difference to whole circuit. So when the charge is passing from here, positive to here, this is the junction. Is from this junction, charge Q dash is here and Q is transferred to this circuit. So in such circuit, C1, C2, C3, all 3 capacitors are in series. And such a fourth capacitor is connected in parallel with the complete this circuit. Is it clear? I will repeat it. C1, C2, C3 are in series and C4 connect in parallel. So I would like to write the value of C1, C2, C3 which is given in the book. Clear? Yes. So it is given here C1, C2, C3, C4. All capacitors of the same capacitance, that is 10 microfarad. 10 micro convert into 10 to the power minus 6, that is farad. Clear? Now, first to solve net capacitance of the circuit. How much total capacitance of C1, C2, C3? So dear student, in this circuit, C1, C2 and C3 are connected in series. That's why their capacitance since C1, C2, C3 are in series. So, net capacitance CS equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. First formula apply here. Yes. Equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10. I am writing here in microfarad. No need to multiply by that. 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10. Then it will be combined 3 upon 10. You can write it here. 10 is the LCM. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So CS equal to 10 over 3. 10 over 3. Equation number 1. This is the net capacitance of 1, 2 and 3. Only. He is asking net capacitance of full circuit. But C4 is connect in parallel with these 3. So now we have to write it here. But capacitor of C4 connect in parallel with CS. CS मतलब net combination of series, all these three. Then how? Then total capacitance C equivalent equal to CS means series combination and C4 plus C4. This is the formula of parallel combination combined of all three. That is CS, how much is here? 10 over 3. 10 over 3 plus C4, how much? 10. 3 take LCM. It is, 3 take LCM, that is 10 plus 30 means 40 over 3. 40 over 3, you can write it same, छोड़ सकता है, और 13.3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9, 13.3 something microfarad. That's why I did not change the unit. Clear? Net capacitance, first net capacitance of the combination 13.3 yani net cap. Sorry. Equation number it is 2. Is it clear? We have applied series combination here, parallel combination here. No need to take different series combination, parallel combination, all are here. Now he is asking that B point. So most important, charge on each capacitor. How much charge on C1, on C2, on C3 and on C4. So dear student, in previous, same class, in back time, we have discussed that C1, C2 are in series. That's why charge remains same. Charge remain same. So if the charge Q on C1, that will remain on Q2, that will remain on the also. Is it clear? But one condition is here. What condition? This is the 5 volt supply, total 5 volt supply. So this 5 volt supply will divide into here and here. Means potential difference across the first capacitor will be V1. Charge Q, potential difference across second capacitor will be V2. And now your potential difference, that is V3. So dear student, V1, V2, V3 means potential difference remains different. Then we have to determine the potential difference also. He is asking charge, but we have to find the potential difference also. Is it clear? So I would like to find the potential difference across C1, C2 and C3. Yes. Potential difference across C1. C1 is that A to B. How much is here? V1. V1 equal to Q over C1. Charge remains same. That is capital Q here because it is considering here. Potential difference across C2, second capacitor, that is V2 equal to beta Q over C2, and potential difference V3 equal to Q over C3. First, second and third, all three potential difference, Q over C1, Q over C2, Q over C3. Clear? Total potential, but total potential difference, that is V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Dear student, 1, 2, 3, all three one combination. This is second. But C4 with this combination in the parallel. In parallel combination potential remains same. In parallel combination potential remains same. In parallel combination 500 volt here. Then it is also have the 500. It is also have the 500. मतलब total potential तो यहाँ भी 500 है, ये भी 500 है. But we are finding individual also. So individual potential only here, here and here. Total potential for these and these remain same. So here equal to V1 Q over C1 plus Q over C2 plus Q over C3. No problem. Equal to Q take common beta. 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. No problem. V over Q. And sorry, just a minute beta, just a minute. 1 upon C1, 1 upon C2, 1 upon C3. Just a minute. Equal to, why we are taking it congested? V equal to capital Q into 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. 1 upon C1, C2, C3. And such value is here 10 over 3. This combination? Yes, 10 over 3. And Q is asking, V has given, total potential has given 500 volt. It is given also. So 500 is here beta, Q is here, and such value 10 over 3. 10 over 3. This is the 10 over 3. Then how much Q is here? Q 500 into 3 over 10. Just a minute beta. 500 volt, yes, Q is asking. 10 over 3, this is the combination of that. Okay. How much charge is here? Please calculate it. 10. Sorry beta. 1 upon C1, 1 upon C2, 1 upon C3. C1, C2, 1 upon 3. 3 over 10. Sorry, very sorry. It is not 10 over 3. That's why I was in confusion. 1 upon C combined. That is, how much is there? This value. 3 over 10. 3 over 10. Now, Q equal to 500 into 10 divided by 3. And it is the value of in micro. In micro. So, it is also microcoulomb. Microcoulomb means capital Q equal to 5000 over 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 coulomb. For the charge, we have to write it in the coulomb. So that's why multiply by 10 raised to the power minus 6. Micro convert into coulomb. And this value is, and please calculate the answer. 1, 3 1 ja 3, 20. 3 6 18, 20. Again 3 6 18, 3 6 18, 0.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Check it. 3 1 ja 3, 2 20, 3 6 18, 2 20, 3 6 18, 2 20, 3 6 18, decimal. Yes. So increase the value of power or equal to 1.666 into 10 to the power minus 3. 1.666 can consider as 1.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 coulomb. This is the charge on first capacitor, on second capacitor, on third capacitor. Only these capacitor. Remaining now Q dash, fourth का अभी बचा है. Is it clear? Is it clear? Because 500 volt here, 500 all these three. मतलब इनमें भी कितना होगा? 500 combined. Here separate, here separate, here separate. Is it clear? So take one screenshot. We have to find the charge of fourth capacitor also. Now the charge on fourth capacitor, जो लास्ट में लगा हुआ था, मैंने डायग्राम हटा दिया. Charge on fourth capacitor, that is Q equal to CV, Q4 and Q dash has given Q dash equal to, or Q4, Q dash not Q4, equal to C4 into V. This is the charge on fourth capacitor. You can just back the video. You can see the diagram. The charge on fourth capacitor across AD. Across AD. Q dash is asking equal to C4 capacitance. How much capacitance is there? And all have the same capacitance, that is 10 microfarad into potential 500. 500. Simple. Means 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 500. That is the Q dash. 1, 2, 3. 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 coulomb. Check it, beta. Check it again. And take one screenshot also. Because, yes, calculation कर लीजिए. 500, 5000 हो गया, 10 की पावर minus 6 आ गया, 5.0 into 10 power minus 3 coulomb. So this is the complete answer. Now we have discussed total capacitance and then potential difference and then charge in the same questions. Is it clear? Yes. One different type example here. No need to screenshot and you can take it later. Suppose one question is there here. Many of the capacitors. I am not doing the exercise. Yes. This is different. Like that. Earthing. And here is given, suppose 100 volt supply. Here is positive, C1, C2 and C3. These three capacitors are connected 100 volt supply only the positive terminal and second end connected with the earth. Then such earth provide the negative terminal and we have to consider here V equal to 100 volt. So no need to confuse that, sir, how we will calculate the 100 volt, because if it is connected with the positive terminal, this is a high, V plus, how much? 100 volt high. This is V negative, 100 volt low, and positive and negative. In such case, these are the in series combination. Maybe you have read, seen here, maybe any other combination or another one is here also, like that. C1, C2, C3, this is C4. C4 is connected parallel with these two. Then how we will calculate? Initially C2, C3 in series. C2, 3 in series. 1 upon C2, 3 equal to 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Such combination C2 3 connect with parallel here, then 1 upon C 2 3 4 parallel combination, direct formula C4 plus C23. The value will count it from here. Clear? And then this circuit connect with the series of the first. Means net capacitance equivalent equal to C1 plus all these C23, 4. So this is the combination. We have discussed this later. Sorry, in back. But case of that 100 volt. So we will consider here 100 volt. No need to confusion then, sir, what is the effect by earthing? Earthing will provide the same negative potential. Is it clear? Now I would like to take the different type of numerical, different type of the circuit. So please take it screenshot. One more example. Such combination. First capacitance C1, second capacitance C2, third capacitance, sorry, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6. This is the combination. And every capacitance has the value C1 equal to, C2 equal to and so on C. सबका वैल्यू कितना है? C के बराबर. Then what will be the net capacitance? C net have to calculate it. Clear? So beta, always remind one thing. How we will identify that which one is series, which one is parallel. So listen one thing. It is considered as a positive terminal. It is considered as negative terminal. Clear? Sir. Suppose positive terminal here, then charge is transferred from here and it is the junction. Do you know junction? From where charge will divide into the different directions. Junction. Then charge will divide from here, here and here. Clear? Or when charge is divided, it is of the positive plate and now here it is also the positive plate. It is negative, it is negative. It is negative, it is negative. So these two C1 and C2 are connected in parallel. C1 and C2 are connected in parallel. Is it clear? Is it clear? In these three, the charge is coming here. Clear? And charge, sorry, C1, C2. Yes. Plus. This negative, this positive. Positive or negative, this is of the series. So C1, C2 combined circuit. One circuit is complete. This one is complete. For this circuit C3 connect in series. इसके साथ ये series में बेटा. Because the charge is come here and from here it will also again divide here and here. This positive also. This is also positive. These and these, मतलब this circuit C4 connected again parallel. C1, C2 in parallel initially. C1, C2 combination with C3 series. And C4 in parallel. And C4 again divide here. Negative and negative. Yes. Come to here. Negative and positive. Means negative. Then these two parallel C5, C6. देखो C1, C2 parallel, C1 to and C3 series में. Clear? So again I want to just modify the circuit. How we will calculate that? देखिए, modify करता हूं सर्किट को. So such a circuit is modified in the arrangement C1 and C2. C1 and C2 both are in parallel. Clear? C3 also, C3 is in series, these two. Then C3 is here. This is series. C4 positive, 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 positive plate, positive plate, positive, all are connected with the same circuit. That's why C4 also the parallel. C1, C2 parallel. In this C4 also parallel. And such circuit C3 is in series, C4, C6, C5, C6 is in parallel, and these are connected with series in that. Clear? So I want to just calculate. First one C1 here, C2 here, C4 here. Okay? So C1, C2 calculate initially. For C1, C2 in parallel, C12 equal to C plus C, because capacitance of each capacitor C, that is 2C. So this combination of the 2C and this combination connect with the C4 in also parallel. It's also parallel. Such combination is with that किसमें आएगा? सीरीज में. देखिए C1 C2 in parallel and C3 in series. So 1 upon C1 2 3 will be 1 upon 2C plus 1 upon C. 1 upon 2C combined of these and C3. That will be beta 2C take LCM, then 1 plus 2, that will be 3 over 2C, or C1 to 3 equal to 2C over 3, equation number 1. Net combination of these 2C, C3 connected series with them, that's why 2C plus 1 upon C in series formula here. Same thing from here, C5, C6 are in parallel, C5, C6 in parallel. For these C plus C, that will be again 2C, because CC same capacitance, and such combination connect with here in parallel, sorry in series. In series it is also series, it is series. So it will be, how much is here? 1 upon C, 5, 6 and 4 will be 1 upon 2C plus 1 upon C, that will be 3 over 2C. 3 over 2C equal to 2C over 3 also. It is also, yani C 5, 6, 4 equal to 2C over 3. Such combination and such combination both are connecting one another type example. Different types. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 capacitors. In these 8 capacitor, 2 capacitance, 2 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 2 and 2. And these 3 are of the 1 microfarad. And such combination. And he is asking that what is the net capacitance between terminal A and B. So equivalent capacitance, so how we will calculate that? Initially, always such type of combination start from here. Always. So please, 2 microfarad and 2 microfarad, these two are connected with the same wire. That's why they are in series. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8. Clear? Now, C4 and C5 are in series. Initially start from here. So net capacitance C4 of C5. These are in series. In series, the formula 1 upon C45 equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, that is 2 over 2 means 1 microfarad. Combination of these two. And this combination connect with that, with the C6. In parallel, these two are in series, but with these two, it is in parallel. So, C4, 5 and 6. How much is there? C4, 5 plus C6 in series. Series formula, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2 microfarad. So 2 microfarad, 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad is the net combination up to here. 2 microfarad. Yes. Now no need with that of this circuit. Complete circuit का net potential कितना, sorry, net capacitance how much is there? 2 microfarad. So such 2 microfarad connect with that in again series. Yes. Such 2 microfarad of whole circuit connect with this one again series. Then 2 microfarad means series. Yani 1 upon C. Just a minute, beta. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay? G, H and that. So 1 upon C or GH plus 1 upon C3. 1 upon C3. So how much is there? 2 microfarad. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, that is again 1 microfarad. This one and this one also 1 microfarad. And such combination with that again in series. Sorry, again in parallel. So for parallel till EF, yani capacitance of CEF will be 1 microfarad these two plus 1 microfarad these, that is 2 microfarad again. Up to here net capacitance, up to here net capacitance 2 microfarad. Clear? Such 2 microfarad connect with that again in series. That's why same thing and same is here. Then it will also 2 microfarad. Sorry, I will write it here. 2 microfarad till here. Whole combination. And such 2 microfarad connect with that last capacitor in series. So finally, 1 upon CD, capacitance of CD circuit till CD plus 1 upon 2 microfarad, and that one is C1. 1 upon C1. It is 1 upon CAB, means A and B. Total capacitance of the whole circuit 1 upon CAB equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon till CD. And till CD, that is 2 microfarad. So 1 upon 2 microfarad. Sorry, no need to write it here. 1 upon C1. C1 is also 2. That will be 2 over 2 means 1 microfarad of C. Sorry, beta. Yes, 2. That is yes. 1 microfarad. So CAB equal to only 1 microfarad. So such type combination we will complete. Is it clear? I think it must be clear. One more most important example, please. In such a combination, one another and most important example. Terminal A, terminal B, having the capacitors 2 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 1 microfarad, 1 microfarad, 1 microfarad, and till to the infinity. Then how we will calculate the net capacitance of infinite combination? So dear student, what have to do here? For infinite combination, in infinite combination, suppose यहां लिखूंगा मैं let capital C be the net capacitance of infinite combination. मैंने क्या किया, मैंने कहा इनफाइनाइट है तो इनफाइनाइट का कैपेसिटेंस कितना होगा, C मान लिया. बेटा infinite, in infinite, if we add few capacitance, if we subtract few capacitance, there is no change. Means इस infinite capacitance में C infinite में plus something और C infinite minus something, no change in capacitance. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा ज्यादा, इनफाइनाइट है ना, इसीलिए. तो क्या करते हैं इसमें, इस कॉम्बिनेशन को, फर्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन ये, सेकंड ये, थर्ड ये, इनफाइनाइट -1 -2 -3. क्लियर? सो हाउ वी विल समराइज इट. सपोज इनफाइनाइट कॉम्बिनेशन C. From here, just a minute. Yes, or here. Terminal C, terminal D कहते हैं. C and D. First circuit, second circuit, third circuit, fourth circuit, fifth circuit, infinite. So till here, infinite combination, which capacitance is considered as C? So consider as C. And then finally 2 microfarad last here, 2 microfarad last, and then 1 microfarad in last. One is also here, 1 microfarad is also last, and then A and B. So such a combination will summarize by such type. Leave it here. C, D. Till here, net combination of the infinite circuit will be only, very sorry, only C. तो यहां से इधर के कॉम्बिनेशन में जितना भी नेट कैपेसिटेंस C है उसमें चाहे कुछ ऐड करो या माइनस करो, नो चेंज. सो दैट्स व्हाई C here, and then 2 and then 1. Such 2 microfarad connect here in series. So C plus, 2 microfarad energy, 1 upon C plus 1 upon 2, 1.2. It is the 1 upon C. Yes. Oh, 1 upon C plus 1.2, that will be 2 LCM, 2 plus C, 2C LCM, 2C LCM, 2 plus C. Okay, equation number, then C equal to 2C over 2 plus C, equation number 1. And such connect with series also. Parallel. This is parallel. Then in parallel C. It is said to put a C dash, net capacitance, C dash. तो C dash plus 1 microfarad. It is the capacitance of AB. Net capacitance of AB. That is C dash how much? 2C over 2 plus C plus 1 microfarad. Not need to microfarad. C AB. Now solve it. So this is the process. Up to here, consider as infinite C, and then it is in series, that's why such, and this is in parallel, that's why such. So dear student, such type I have taken many of the different type of the capacitor combination. How we can calculate them in series, calculate them in parallel, how we will identify them in series and parallel, and how we will find the charge on each capacitor, potential difference across each capacitor. So many of the terms for the combination of capacitor I have complete in this video. Clear? Dear students, I want to just over the video. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.